bottom leg, bend the top leg, twist your patient towards you, cross the arms over, bring this arm through, hold on to your elbows, bring this arm through, wind down to the joint you need to manipulate, and apply a short sharp thrust down.